Dear viewers, and welcome back to my another video. In that Matplotlib lesson, we are going to learning about pie chart, line chart. So let's get started beginning our journey to open our Matplotlibs in our Visual Studio Code. Firstly, we need to open our Visual Studio Code in our desktop, and then here is our data we created into part 6. In that, part 7 is also good. So left click mouse and then create a new file. Click here and call it mat4.mat5.python. So enter it and then let me import the matplotlib and numpy. Import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Now enter it another time and then import numpy as np. When it's done, enter it. Now we are going to making the matplotlib's pie chart. So making the pie chart, we are going to make the players. So firstly we type cricketer equals to this bracket and then this bracket, making this name, comma it, and then copy it here. When it's copy, enter it in that here and paste it, means Ctrl V. We input this name carefully, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 name we input carefully. So firstly, Amit, Josh, Sigma, Nina, Shima, Lilu. When it's done, enter it another time and the cricketers run. What score does the player should run? So run equals to this, this bracket and then this third bracket. First click 12, second 40, random number 90, 42, 12. Now see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, another more, 100. This score is bigger. So now this cricketer's side we write down here np.array this command. Now enter it another time and then hashtag importing the pie chart method colon. Why the number is going too fast? Okay, enter it another time and this default method plt method we use plt.py bracket, and firstly we see the run and secondly this into that level and then another. So firstly we type run comma labels equals to it. This is important, cricketer comma auto ect equals to this single quotation marks and then percentage 1.2 f means football players percentage. This is our sign, the auto set. Now hashtag plt x and y label colon plt.x label this bracket runs by cricketers, and then alt dot while label this bracket, and then cricketers information means info. This is our while label. And now we test the title, means we header this title plt title method colon plt dot title bracket runs and score by cricketers. Okay, this wrong. Okay, now when it's done, hashtag the end of the matplotlibs show colon plt dot show that bracket. Now this data is ended, means this data is ready to use. So click this run button to use that data. Now the Matplotlib is opening. Now I am hiding. Now you can see this is our title, and this is our X level, and this is our Y level. You see it. And this is our names: Lilu, Amit, Josh, Sigma, Nina, Sima. And this is a percentage of high score. What is the score the player should in the balls cricketed? So this is the pie chart method. You can use that. So you know that pie chart method. The Power BI is also pie chart method, but this is the not visualization. This is only a graph. It is not visualized. So cut down here, and you can make that with me that data to make that pie chart method. And you can't means you use that plt dot pie chart method, then you can easily to show your characters and runs pie chart. So now we are going to seeing that labels. So seeing that line chart, so copy it, not delete it, all of everything, cricketers to plt.show method, backspace it, and then hashtag layers not months and rains. What is the months of the January to December, and what is the range of the months, and what time the rain is beginning started. So this is our line chart. So use that line chart. This is our recommended import numpy as np, because we use that np function with this months and range. So firstly we use that months function. Months equals to np dot array, this bracket, and then comma, copy it here, this to this, Ctrl C and paste it. Okay, when it's done, import that months: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. Now this is the name. We see that number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 numbers we kept in that np-array function. Now we sit in that range function in our second code. So enter it, and then range equals to np.array, this bracket, and then firstly range should has been 102, means 102, comma 98, comma 78, comma 30, 20, 10, 92. Okay, this bracket is like an error, so I fix this here, and this. If not exists, copy it here, means cut it down here, cut it, and then this bracket got and copy it, means paste it. If does not work with any of this, another time 102, comma 198, comma 20, comma 74, comma 89, 809, not 89, comma 21, comma 67. 8 months we give in the title. Now we this give in that and the array function 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, another, comma 23. This is the code of our range function. So and then hashtag plot viewing of the line chart colon, enter it, and then plt dot plot. What plot we should give? Firstly range and secondly months. Range, comma months. Now when it's done, hashtag plt title colon plt dot title months and range graph chart, and then hashtag plt not plot v plot x and y labels colon plt dot x label months, and then bracket it here, and now plus it and plt dot y label, this bracket, and then that semicolon means double quotation marks, and then this range in mm, enter it, and then the end of that code. Okay, I type very fast, so guys, not give anything bad questions. Plt dot show, and then that bracket. Now when it is done, you see that here, that is that line chart method. Now when you click that run code function, you can see that line chart. Okay. What should give here? I see it. February, March. Oh guys, I do not imported that functions. That because why this code is not running. So when it's done, another time that if you input that np-array function, you use that double bracket. Now use another time, and you can see here that line chart I am hiding. Okay guys, now you are seeing that August, July, June, May, April, March, February, January. This is the line chart method, and then here is the months method, means X level, Y level, and here is our X level. You see it here, this X comma Y 192 193. When my mouse is going to another direction, the coordinates is, this coordinates is go to August. So you see that here my Windows end location August, July, June, May, April, March, February, January. You see it here. This is the Matplotlib's function, and this is our range in mm, and this is our title, months and ranks graph chart we used in the PLT title method. So guys, close that here, and then you does that, means you use that same code with me to that code is become a good code, and recommended is look that code and look that code, and you can code again and again, so you can make that easily Matplotlib's code. So guys, I give you that code in my description if you want to. So this is my video. If you like my video, so subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon button to get more support. Assalamualaikum.